How to use live translation on messages on iPhone running iOS 26. So first let's go back to the home screen and open up text messages. In here, open up a conversation that you are using. So here I will open up this conversation here at the top. You can see in my text message there are some Korean languages and there are some in English. So what you want to do is tap at the top here, tap in your contact info, then tap on the info tab. Now go down and make sure you turn on automatically translate. Now to use this feature, also you need to turn on Apple Intelligence. So if you do not see that option, you go into settings, and in settings, go down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. And make sure you turn on Apple Intelligence. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Okay, so once that is turned on, we can go back to text messages and tap on that, then go down and tap on automatically translate. Okay, so here you can choose translate from and translate to. So select a language from the list. There are not many here, but hopefully over time, Apple will add more languages to the list. Here, before you can use it, you need to download. The download is quite large. It may take some time. So just tap on the download button to download additional languages. Okay, and then choose from and then translate to. You can translate to English, Chinese, and other languages. Okay, so once it is turned on, go back to your text conversation. And here you can see I will send a text message in Korean right here. So I tap on send, and here when a text arrive, it say this is a text message. So it will automatically translate for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.